Ashley from Career in STEM here. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how the Career in STEM Bootcamp program would fit in perfectly for the Texas Education Agency CTE summer grant this coming summer. This is the perfect way to get the Career in STEM Bootcamp program, which is essentially a 100% done for you CTE summer bridge program. So I wanted to go back and forth between how the bootcamp program is a perfect match for this summer grant program. So in this grant program, they are looking for programs that are going to support students in CTE and work-based learning. They are looking to foster innovation through promising and proven programs. The Career in STEM Bootcamp program has research and is supported by student user surveys as well as lots of other metrics about its effectiveness. And I also, before I go any further, wanted to say that I will provide free grant writing assistance. So if you are interested in applying for this grant, I will help you write it at no cost, no strings attached. I just really would love to help as many people as possible, and this is a great way to do it at no cost to your organization. So continuing on, Bootcamp has lots of user and student survey data to prove that it works, as well as other metrics, as I said. And it also does everything that this bullet point is asking for to promote the development, implementation, and adoption of high-quality programs aligned to labor market demand. So I wanted to quickly show you what Bootcamp is and then go back and forth between their slideshow and how Bootcamp fits. So first, let me show you what Bootcamp looks like. Bootcamp is run through a virtual classroom, so you get your own custom link and your own customized virtual classroom to run your Bootcamp out of. Career STEM does all of this for you, which is why it's truly a download and go, done for you CTE Summer Bridge program. So this is an example from UTSA Talent Search Southwest. As you can see, it's fully customized and branded. They get links, their logos, as well as their own Career in STEM Explorer system. One other important feature is you get, with your any bootcamp purchase, you get a full year subscription to the Career in STEM Explorer. That alone is worth nearly $5,000. And it's an incredible tool for your students to use all year long. You get a full year access. This is a very quick glimpse of what the Explorer tool looks like. So there's over 200 different STEM career profiles arranged in these 5 different buckets. Online scavenger hunt activity to give you critical usage data about what careers your students are interested in and how you can support them. New careers added every Tuesday morning. Your own custom content area, so you can put whatever you want here, and my staff updates it for you as much as you want. Again, we do all of it for you. This would be a really cool way to advertise and connect and help students learn about different CTE pathways in your district. And then last, also included in the Explorer system is a monthly STEM challenge. So every month, I post something cool and fun and new and exciting, a challenge for students to do as it relates to STEM career exploration. So this is March, and our fun challenge this month is a St. Patrick's Day challenge. So kids pick a career, research it using the links provided, which goes to the career pages in the Explorer tool, and then they do something fun, like design a wedding invitation for a destination wedding in Ireland. Something fun to keep your students coming back and keep them exploring STEM careers. Also includes a showcase, which is essentially a digital resume builder portfolio tool that students can upload their work and have a resume in action at a young age, beginning in middle school. So that is just the very, very tip of the iceberg. The Explorer is included in all bootcamp packages, which is an incredible value. So every day is something new and fun in bootcamp. It is a 10-module program. It can occur over 10 weeks or 10 days. And every day is something fun and new and exciting for your students to do. It is run again out of this virtual classroom, and then students also have a virtual notebook to interact with throughout the bootcamp experience. So every day is a 30-minute live lesson with me, followed by a independent exploration activity that students do on their own. And it's all detailed and described for them here in their virtual notebook. So for example, the first lesson we talk about having a vision, what a vision is, why it's necessary, why it's the number one key to a successful future. And then students make a vision board using a fun template that I've created. So that's just one example of the many fun CTE activities that students do in boot camp. So it continues in that similar format all days, all 10 days. I also post the recordings afterward, so any student who can't attend the live session can come and watch the recording. Then at the bottom, I have tutorials to help students. So how to use it, how to use the notebook, how to use the showcase to build their resume. And then another link to the showcase where students post everything that they've created, everything they've learned, made, solved, done here in the boot camp program. So this is a behind the scenes tour of what boot camp looks like. For you on the educator side, you also get an incredible amount of resources to support your CTE initiatives all year long. So let me show you that. This is the Career Coach Lounge, which all staff members have access to. So some quick tips, some virtual PD that I have created and recorded, a career coaching guide, which you can either have my staff be the career coaches or included in the price, I train your staff to be the career coaches. So every student meets with a career coach throughout the 10 modules for 30 minutes a day. So there's a 30-minute live lesson with me, followed by a 2-hour independent activity that students do on their own, followed by a 30-minute one-on-one Zoom coaching call with either my staff or yours trained by me. So your staff get access to all these resources that are linked here. And here's where you really get a huge bang for your buck. In addition to your subscription to the Explorer, you can also request any resource from my store for free to support your students. And you use this simple form. It's very easy. I have over 180 different STEM career exploration resources in my store. Everything from computer science to animals, automotive, forensics. So say Juanita is really interested in space. Maybe she's one of the students in your program. She's interested in some type of pathway related to space. Here's lots of different resources that you can download and use to support Juanita in her interests in space. So this is incredibly valuable because anyone in your staff can request anything unlimited as much as they want throughout the entire year. Another really valuable piece is the resource wizard. So say you're looking to help students build their resume. Here's some download and go resources to help them do that. Say you're looking to help students do a job shadow, which is usually required by most CTE programs. Here's some download and go resources. These are all things that I have created. These are not links to external websites. These are download and go resources that I have made to help you and to help students. So for any CTE program, all of these things, the boot camp program, the subscription that's included to the Career and STEM Explorer system, everything you're looking at here in the Career Coaching Lounge, request a resource, unlimited stuff from my store free, Resource Wizard, download and go stuff that aligns to everything a CTE program needs to do. I hope you are starting to see that this is incredibly well aligned to everything that the summer grant program is offering, and really in general everything that your CTE program is trying to do, especially as it relates to 7th, 8th, and 9th graders. That's the ideal audience for everything that you've been looking at here. So going back to the grants slideshow here, the deadline is coming up soon, and again, I offer free help and support in writing any of these pieces as it relates to everything I've shown you. And we hit both of these bullets with the boot camp program. We will be assisting students in readiness for statewide CTE programs, and it's also a bridge or acceleration program because it's getting students on the fast track to STEM careers. Also important to note in that Explorers, like I showed you with the UTSA example, you can customize that content area. So say you want to focus on a specific CTE pathway. Say you want to focus on electronics. We can customize your page to focus on whatever it is that you want to focus on. Engineering, manufacturing, forensics, green technology, veterinary science. We can do whatever you want in a customized way to really showcase how well aligned your program is to the needs of this grant. Again, we hit all the bullet points here. We're implementing a summer bridge program, the ideal range being 7th to 9th graders. And then these are also other ways that we can work together. Again, everything is customized. So say you already have some post-secondary programs that you work with. Say you already have local employers that you work with. Say your students already have job shadow opportunities. We can incorporate that within both the Explorer system and the boot camp program. Boot camp includes up to 50 students with the basic package and up to 25 students with the plus package. Basic package is where I train your staff to do the career coaching. The plus package is where my staff does all the career coaching. So both options, the plus and the basic, include everything done for you by me. The difference just being who's doing the career coaching, either you or my staff. This grant is open to a lot of different groups, so really anybody who qualifies for Perkins is eligible for this. And you will have to be creating or expanding work-based learning experiences, which again is everything that I just showed you. So again, more recommendations that they have, more ways that we can incorporate every single bullet point that they have here. Any of these things, if you have them or you're looking to create them, we can do that both as part of the Explorer and the Boot Camp program. And again, your students and your staff have access to all of that stuff for a full year. This is not just a one and done summer camp. This is a comprehensive STEM career exploration system to continue to support students and your staff throughout the entire year. And then again, wanted to just reemphasize that data collection is a big piece of what we do. My staff does all that for you. So when it comes time to report out on how well your students engaged in this, how they participated, what they did, the numbers, the data, we provide you with a report at the end of your boot camp program, and then as well as monthly throughout the year. So you'll be getting a ton of done-for-you data to prove that your students are making meaningful STEM career exploration steps. So hopefully this has helped you see what boot camp is and how it's a perfect fit for this summer grant opportunity. Again, I'll help you for free. Please contact me, Ashley at careerinstem.com. Careerinstem.com is my website, so if you wanted to go through anything that we just looked at, please feel free to do that. I am here anytime. You can also call or text me, 860-785-4408. I'm always just a call or text away. Love to work with you in your district. I'm also an approved district for an approved vendor for multiple districts in Texas. And I'd be happy to become one if I'm not already, to be able to work with you and your students this summer. Thanks so much. Look forward to working with you. Bye.